Hey man, this one right here gonna make a lot of people mad. I don't know why Jordan Brand keep doing this like this, but for some reason they keeping that classic colorway in the vault. But we got something that's super similar. And hey man, you guys might hate it or love it. Only there's gonna be no in between with these joints right here. Let's get into the unboxing. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody that's tapped in today? You guys already know, man, we got another early look just for the Vintage Squad. And if you guys done pulled up and you don't got the notification bell on, man, make sure the notification bell. And if you are new here to the channel, you're already rocking with the vibes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the notification game. Every single video we want to get up to at least 400 likes. So if you want to help your boy out, you want to put this video in the algorithm, man, help your boy, make sure you leave a huge like and comment something down below. Whatever it is you got on top of your mind when we are talking about certain topics, man, drop the comments, bro. You don't know, it might be someone else you helping with your comment, or it might be somebody that you might help, you know what I'm saying, with giving information. So go ahead and drop some comments down below, hit that like button, join the fam, and hey, the content's gonna keep rolling, bro, and we so close to that goal. We so close to that milestone. Let's keep it pushing. And I did not do a full review and on feet over these joints. I didn't even do a video showing you. I had these for a while now, but I wanted to, ask you guys real quick, did anybody go out and secure a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Low Shadows? This is one of the ones I had to snag for a personal, even though I do have the highs. I feel like the lows would, wasn't bad at all, so I had to grab them. OG cut, got the Wings logo on the back. So let me know if you snag these things. Released yesterday, and it's still currently sitting in a lot of different locations, and they're going for like under retail. But hey, if you want them, if you like them, buy what you like. And over the last couple weeks, I've been putting you guys on to probably one of the most up and coming, thriving Discord communities, and that is Secret Sauce. Secret Sauce is an exclusive membership-based service over on Discord, and they help people out like me and you, sneaker enthusiasts, people that do not want to take L's, people that do not want to pay resale, and then people that actually do want to sell sneakers as well. They help all different aspects of the sneaker community per se. And over the last couple of days, man, you guys seen we got a bunch of shop drops and stuff like that. And I was in a group scrolling, I seen so many W's for this shop drop over the CPFM Air Force Ones that dropped over on the Nike Sneakers app. Put a little screenshot up here, man, but the entire group, the entire Secret Sauce, man, bunch of pairs. So you guys can see my pair here shortly. Cannot wait to unbox some things. But, you know what I'm saying, that information got pushed out over at Secret Sauce first. You've probably seen it all over the Instagram and stuff like that a little bit before. But Secret Sauce knew well before everybody else, letting everybody know that it will be a shock drop over those CPFM Air Force Ones. And depending on which membership you do join up with over at Secret Sauce, that, kind of dictates how many auto checkouts you do have. And those auto checkouts come in handy, especially for people like me and you, what I'm saying, you've been working all day. You can't be on the computer 24/7, but you really want a pair of sneakers. That's where the auto checkouts kind of supplement that and help you get in those pairs for retail. So depending on the membership, like I said, that dictates how many auto checkouts you do get with Secret Sauce. And of course, man, the military blues, you guys remember the drop, man. Every single one of the members got these joints for retail. Nobody took an L. So if that's something you're interested in, getting tips, getting helped out with, different sneaker information, Secret Sauce is the way to go. Go join right now, link in the description box. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the package. Like I said, you already probably seen it by the thumbnail and all that good stuff, but this is a pair of Air Jordan 12s that a lot of people have been frustrated with Nike, and a lot of people probably know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a particular shoe we have been wanting for years. We've been wanting these joints for years. My pair is literally beat up, and I gotta find them. I gotta show them in this video due to the fact that this is a pair that looks very similar. Let's go ahead and put a knife to the side. Let's go ahead and pop the box open and see what we have. But let's see what the quality talks about. Let's see what the colorway hit for. But you guys see it, bro. Check it out, man. Air Jordan 12 box. You guys already know, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, gem red, and black. You guys see it right there. So go ahead and flip it open and see what we have, bro. Let's go ahead and check them out. Okay. I ain't too mad about these, bro. I am not too mad about them. Check it out. The Air Jordan 12 Red Taxis. Now, I know that name probably threw you off, bro. Red Taxis, they look so similar to the taxi things. They don't even make no sense. And this is something that Nike has been consistently doing, bro. They gave us the royalty taxis. They gave us these red taxis. And they're just keeping those classic nostalgic taxi 12s in the vault for some reason. And I do not know why. But again, this is not a bad rendition to like a taxi colorway, I guess you can say. The red kind of throw me off a little bit just because I'm like, yo, Nike, You could have literally just made these the taxis, you know what I'm saying? The only thing they add on here was the red little hits on the tongue and on the side panels. You know, of course, on the taxis, you do get like the taxi theme for the carbon fiber. And it's just like, bro, Nike, we're at this point now where I keep giving us stuff that do look similar to other colorways. I always bring up the Air Jordan 11 Gammas. You know, a couple years back, we got the Cap and Count Air Jordan 11s, which look super similar to the Gammas. And this is something similar to it, you know what I'm saying? They got the red taxis, red hit, and this one got a lot of people frustrated with Nike. I know they know we want the taxis. Like, they know we want them classic joints right there. But for some reason, like I said, they haven't dropped in some years. I don't even know when they dropped. I know it had to be like 2012 or 2011, something like that, a long time ago. But we have not got them since. But we've been getting super similar colorways to them, like these joints right here. Now, I'm not gonna take away from these red taxi joints right here because it is a nice colorway. Like I said, it looks like the taxi. So if you like the taxis, it's gonna be hard for you not to like these. But again, if you are frustrated with Jordan, you're frustrated with Nike for not giving us those, you know what I'm saying, taxi 12s, then you might be all the way on the left field and not want to snag these joints right here. But if you don't have taxis, if you don't have the royalties, then these right here is a close second or a close, you know what I'm saying, one up on the taxi 12s in my honest opinion. And again, it's a new day and age, bro. It's a new day and age for sneaker community. It's gonna be some people that like these more than the taxis. They're like, yo, I like that little red hit in there, and I might, you know what I'm saying, have you scratching your head a bit. But there are people out there that like newer renditions to OG classic colorways because they didn't experience the taxis back in the day, man. But you guys see it, bro. Air Jordan 12 red taxi things. Go ahead and check out the back right here. You guys can see, man, 2-3 and then quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And the red hits is not bad. The red hits is not bad at all. You guys see the 2-3 and the Jumpman on the tongue. And again, a huge elephant in the room. Instead of getting that black, man, get a little red hit on the side and on the inner of these Jordan 12. So here we have a, man, lo and behold, I had to go searching all through the house for these joints right here, but we have the Air Jordan 12 taxi things. And I think these released back in 2013, they released right here. It's production day all the way to October. But you guys can see them right here, man. This is what everybody wants, the taxis with the gold hits on the lacing system right here. And you also get the taxi theme on the carbon fiber plate. You got some yellow hits. You still have that red Jumpman on the toe box like you did with these red taxis. But you guys see, man, we want these right here. Nike, Jordan Brand, man, stop playing games. This is what we want. But again, this is a close one to these taxis. So if you don't have these, you don't want to spend $400 or $500, probably $600 right now, then these are your next best favorite, your next best thing for you to grab for a nice, reasonable price. Because you guys know, man, recently all the Jordans have been dropping, bro, been going for super, you know, affordable prices, under retail for most of these silhouettes and stuff like that. And I definitely think these will sell out. I think these will sell out, but I do not think the resale will be anything astronomical, nothing crazy like that. And another Air Jordan 12 I want to show y'all is these royalties. Where'd they go? Where are the royalties? Here they go. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, man. The royalty Air Jordan 12s. You guys see, bro. You got the royalty 12s right here. You got the red taxi right here. And then you have the taxis. Like Jordan Brand. Why are y'all playing games? I put all these next to each other. Let's just see how they look, bro. Let's put all three of them next to each other. And look like you got three pairs of taxis, bro. But all with a little twist. And I'll even go as far as saying that the red taxis look a little bit more like the taxis due to the back of the heel tab right here. You guys can see, you got quad inspired by the greatest player ever. Kind of got the same, you know, coloring. The royalties had this gold head on there, but for the red taxis, yeah, they super similar. And if you want to, you know, customize them to make you a taxi, all you can do is get you that black paint, man, and get you some yellow to paint that, you know what I'm saying, back tab right here that you got on the red taxis, yellow, and hey, bro, you got you a nice, clean, customized pair of taxi 12. So I'm going to go ahead and check the release date real quick. I believe it is later this month. I'll be trying to get these shoes early for y'all so I can see what these joints is hitting for. But like I said, man, the red taxis, not bad at all. I'm rocking with them. And like I said, if you are, please let me know down below in the comment section, bro. Yes, these will be releasing May 25th. They're going to be everywhere. They're going to be for everybody. But again, this is one of them ones that, you know, a lot of OGs, a lot of, you know what I'm saying, real sneakerheads probably going to go out and get because they do look very similar to the taxis. So do not sleep. If you like them, go ahead and snag them because even if they do sit, they won't sit for long. Best believe that. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's early look over the Air Jordan 12 red taxis. Let me know how y'all feeling about them down below in the comment section. Let me know if it's going to be a cop or drop. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. From all that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.